Hey everyone, if you are missing a Temu package and want to track it down, I will show you how to get lost Temu packages. Let's dive in. First of all, open the Temu app or go to temu.com and log in. Go to my orders or your orders, then check the tracking information for your package. Sometimes delays happen and it may still be on the way. If the package status says in transit but the delivery date has passed, wait an extra day or two. Packages can be delayed due to various reasons and it may arrive shortly. If your package is marked as delivered but didn't arrive or it's been delayed too long, contact Temu's customer support, go to the help center in the app or website and select your order to start a chat or submit an inquiry. If the package is confirmed lost, Temu will guide you through a claims process which could include a refund or a replacement. Be sure to have your order and tracking details ready. And that's it. Follow these steps to get help with a lost package on Temu. Thanks for watching.